Hello, family. My name is Sylvia, the CEO of Alosil Empire Crochet. Today, I want you to join me to make a leg bracelet with our crochet yarn, a crochet hook, and a measuring tape. So join me while I measure my leg. And so I got 9 inches for my leg. So we're going to start with. Now I'm going to show you how you can crochet with 2 loops using 1 ball of yarn. All right, now this is my yarn, and this is 1 loop of it, 1 strand, depending on how you understand it. And then I'm going to get the next one from inside. And here it is. This is the first one, and this is the second one. My knot, I'm going to leave enough strand before I'll tie it. At the end of the video, I'll show you what I'll be using it for. So I'll tie my knot from here. Now I'm going to crochet. I'll make my foundational chain until I get to 9 inches. 2, 3, 4. When I get there, I'll come back to the camera. And so I've gotten to this length, the length of 8 inches, but with a little stretch, it gives me 9 inches. Look at it, a little stretch, just a little stretch, it gives you 9 inches. And it gave me a total of 50 chains. So from these 50 chains, I'm going to make extra 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then yarn over. I will skip 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th one, I'll make double crochet. Make sure you don't miss any strand of your yarn. The next one, make a double crochet, double crochet, make a double crochet on the 5th one, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one. And so throughout this row, this first row, we're going to make double crochets in each of these stitches that we have here. So go ahead and make your own double crochet, and let's meet at the end of this row and I'll show you what to do. And we've gotten to the last one. Make sure you did not add or remove to your stitches. I got a total of 50 double crochets. So getting to this, I'm going to chain 2 and I will turn. Now yarn over into this first one here, make an upper post double crochet. Now instead of making from here, make a down post double crochet on the 2nd double crochet that you made in your previous row. Then the next one is upper post double crochet, down post double crochet, up post double crochet, down post double crochet. If you're still watching this video up till this time, that means you are enjoying what you're watching. Please do like my channel, click on the subscription button and subscribe to the YouTube channel to enable me post more videos as well as share this video so that others can as well learn how to make these beautiful leg bracelets. So back to what I was saying, on this row, this second row, it will be all about up post, down post, double crochet. I will continue like that until we get to the end of this row, and there I will tell you what next to do. So we finished this row 2. As you can see, I ended with a down post double crochet, which is this one. So I'm supposed to have 25 up post double crochet and 25 down post double crochet. Let's count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. This is a down post, and also we'll have 25 down posts double crochet, making it a total of 50 double crochet that we have in this second row. Also, the first row was 50 and the second one is 50 as well. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to chain 3. 1 2 3 and turn. Now these 3 will serve as a double crochet. Now into the same space, I'm going to make 2 more double crochets to complete it. 3 double crochets. So this is 3 double crochets in one chain. Now I'm going to form a picot, and how do I do that is by chaining 2. Then I'll make a single crochet from here by inserting my hook into these 2 loops. Grab your yarn, you have 2 on the hook, and pull through 2, forming a picot. And then I'm going to make 3 more double crochets into the same space. 1 2 and 3. In the same stitch, I'm going to make a slip stitch. Okay, I'll form a kind of pyramid here, and then into next chain I'll make a single crochet, into the next one make a single crochet, into the next one make a single crochet. That's 3. Into the next one make a single crochet. That's 4. The next one make a single crochet. That's the 5th one. And then we're going to chain 2. 1 2. In the same space we're going to make 2 double crochets. 1 2. 2 that we made here will serve as our first double crochet. Then 1 2, making it 3 double crochets. So I'll chain 2 1 2, then make a picot, then chain, make 3 double crochets into the same space. So this is 3. Now in the same space I'm going to make a slip stitch. or form the second pyramid. Now from the next chain, I'm going to make single crochet. Two, this is third single crochet, and this is the fourth single crochet, and now the fifth single crochet. Then I'll chain two, which will form as my first double crochet into forming this third pyramid, and then I'm going to make two more double crochet into the same space. Then I'll form a picot, chain two, and after forming the picot, I'll make three double crochet in the same space. So this is what we'll continue doing until we get to the end of this row, which I will do off camera, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. So I'm making the last pyramid. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pyramids for our ankle. So I'm going to put this inside of each of these. This is the yarn we left before we started our foundational chain. So I'm going to insert my hook from here, then yarn over, chain. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I want to get 18, 17, and 18. Then I'll pull through. This is to hide my strand inside. So that's what I'm doing right now before cutting it. And so I'll cut. For here, I'm going to attach my yarn and do the same thing that I did here. One, two, three, 18. Now this is the 18th one. So I'll pull it through just like the other one, and then from here I'll hide my yarn, my excesses. So we've gotten to the end of this. Please do like and share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.